again, guys, and welcome to another hamisTV how-to. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your hamisTV app version. I'm going to show you how to find out what version you have and where you'll see what version is available. In the future, I'll have an app in here somewhere that'll do this all for you, but in the meantime, let's get started. The quickest way to finding your version of hamisTV is to go here to the gear, and then you're going to see this menu here called, with the network, display, sounds, and apps. Click into apps, scroll here to where it says hamisTV, and your version is underneath the name. So this version is 16.6-0, okay? You'll know that right now our current version is 16.7. So let's update our hamisTV. So to do that, let's going to do it inside the app. We're going to click into hamisTV here. I'll let it do its thing. If you get any error messages saying disable this add-on, etc., just click no. So here you'll see the original version of hamisTV. A lot of these sections don't work anymore, and then you'll be like, hey, what the hell happened? So let's update our app, and then let's update the build afterwards. You'll see what version of hamisTV we're up to, or what's the latest version that was uploaded to my website up here. And also up here, you'll see what's the latest version of hamisTV you should have, and of course, you already know how to check the version that you got. So let's click down into here, and we're just going to do it like it was before. In the new version of hamisTV, there's an actual hamisTV section here, and this is where it's going to have the updater and the news spot and tutorial section. But for anybody on the old versions, which this video is going to help out with, you guys can go ahead and scroll to System and update hamisTV. If you see this, where it's only 4 sections, hamisTV hasn't updated yet. So in order to fix this, what you can do is go into Apps here, or Add-on Browser. Scroll down here where it says Available Updates. And if you see here, hamisTV has an available update. So we're going to just go ahead and hit Update All. Okay guys, so all the updates finished. Honestly, I probably only needed to update the hamisTV updater, and for speed purposes, you guys should just probably click that one. So if you get this message after you do that, just hit back, which is the right click button on your mouses, or you can hit escape on your keyboard. Now let's go back to the hamisTV update section here. So we're going to go back into System, update hamisTV. But if you notice now, the screen is going to look drastically different. It's a completely new wizard. This wizard is going to allow us to update the build, update just adult apps, update the hamisTV app, all from that screen. So again, just the first time you load up a program, you guys might have noticed when you first got your boxes, it takes a little bit. So we're probably going to fast forward through this section again. And here you go. Here's the new screen. You'll see the new icons are trying to load on the left here. To update our hamisTV app, you can go here to where it says Android app updates and installs, right? So we'll click into that. And guys, just disregard the 17.3. Anytime I'm really talking about it, we want to talk about this one, which is hamisTV SPMC 16.7 for our Android boxes. We'll click that. It says, do you want to install? Yes. What we're going to do is this is going to download it from my website. If you get an error, just click it again. It's fine. Like I said, anyway, what this is going to do is download it from my website, install it, and update your hamisTV version. Again, any errors when you're doing the update, just it's fine. Usually if there's too many people logging into my website, that'll happen, which can be after a video gets uploaded. So just click it again, keep trying. You see, we clicked it again and it worked out fine. You're going to go into this installer screen. It's going to say, hey, this is the new Hamis SPMC. Do you want to install it? Hit yes. Okay guys, well the app installed. We're going to go ahead and open it. Now when we open hamisTV, we're still going to see the old version with the old setup. What we're going to do now, once this opens up, is clear that whole thing. And what's good about this new wizard, especially those that have live TV, is you can save your live TV data, you can save your weather data, you can save, for those that have Real to Britain Premiumize. Let me just skip past this video before I continue. You guys can save all your data, so when you do an update, when you do a fresh start, you don't lose that. And I'm going to show you how to do it now. So what we're going to do is, again, go back to hamisTV Updater, which in this version is in System, but going forward, you'll see in the next version it'll be its own hamisTV section. So we'll go here to Update hamisTV. Okay, so we're back at the hamisTV Updater. What we want to do is update hamisTV SPMC. If you get this notification, there's nothing to dismiss it. You can just hit back on your remote. SPMC Updater. Click into that. And then you want to do the SPMC full for boxes. Fire sticks and anything with not much memory, we'll click down here. But for boxes, we'll do full. Now it's going to say, do you want to do a fresh start? Yes, you want to do a fresh start. Do you want to save your data before running fresh start? Yes, you want to save your data before running fresh start. This is your live TV, this is your Real to Britain, this is your URL settings, these are all the stuff that you've kind of customized for certain apps that we want to save. So we want to hit yes. And we'll just give it a name, so we'll give it today's date for me, 7/15/17, and we hit done. So it's backing up all your settings. You're going to have to click back into this hamisTV SPMC update again. So we'll click that. And says, would you like to run a fresh start? Yes. Would you like to save your data? No, because you've done that already. And do you want to restore your Kodi configuration to default settings? Yes. And you need to do this just because that's the way the program's set up. So hit yes, and let it do it. So say switch skins. And now it's going to clear this current setup, all of it. It's going to get rid of all the junk, all the stuff that's dead and doesn't work anymore. And off it goes. Okay, guys, well, there you go. We have now finished our fresh start. It's going to hit OK, and it automatically exits out for you. You don't got to do anything else. We're going to go back into hamisTV. So now you see this new background where it tells you which exact version you need that you have now is SPMC. So whenever you do updates, look at the background, it says SPMC, right? And then just follow the instructions on screen. So we have this new, easy to use updater. It says, thank you very much for using hamisTV, blah, blah, blah. Press down on your remote, so we'll press down. And then wise decision, Grasshopper. To press OK on your remote and keyboard to continue, we'll press OK. Which is going to send us back to this familiar screen. Let me just hit OK here with the mouse. Okay. So we're going to go down here to SPMC Updater. Click OK. Back down here to SPMC Full. It's going, do you want to do a fresh start before installing the latest build? You hit no because you've already done that. And now it's going to download the latest build from our website and install it onto your box. Again, if you get any errors, it could be because there's too many people on my website trying to download at the same time. Happens very rarely, but just so you're aware. Let this download completely and let it install. Okay, guys, so we are finally complete. All you have to do at this point is just hit OK and let it do everything for you. Um, Once you do that, it kicks you out back into hamisTV main screen. Hit hamisTV, let it go back in. Again, you'll see that new background image, that you know which version you have, SPMC. Now this first go around, you're going to have this black background. Don't worry about that. It has to load the skin. If you have any error messages about incompatible add-ons due to dependencies, just hit no. If there's any messages about a SAW add-on needing migration, you can hit yes or no. It doesn't really matter. Once the bar up here finishes, it says skin load build or something like that completes, then you're good to go. Also remember that the first go around is going to be obviously slow while everything reloads. First go around, there might be some add-ons that update on their own. That's okay. If you get this message bar up here again, you could just hit back on your keyboard. And there you have it, guys. You are now fully updated. In order to return your data, what you could do is now go into this new hamisTV section. Scroll down here to the updater. You'll see that familiar screen that we had before. Here you go. And then scroll down here to restore data. Restore live TV, debris, etc. And there's our login data that we saved before. Do you want to restore this data? Hit yes. Okay. And if you had a live TV subscription on here, all you could do is go to System, Live TV Settings, and you would just click here into Enable, and then you're back in business with your live TV. Your weather app here will have your town that you had saved previously, and any of your Real Debrider premiumized accounts have been saved. So that's everything, guys. Hope this video proves very helpful for you in updating your hamisTV boxes on your own. Thanks a lot, and as always, if you have any questions, you know how to reach out to me. Have a great day.